In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer your domain and data from Wix to Shopify. Moving from Wix to Shopify is a great choice if you're looking for a platform with more advanced e-commerce features, better scalability, and a wider range of apps and integrations. However, a successful migration involves more than just copying your products. You'll also need to transfer your domain, move your store data, and make sure your new Shopify store is fully functional before going live. The good news is that with the right preparation, you can migrate your store with minimal downtime and without losing important business information. By the end of this video, you'll know how to transfer your domain and store data from Wix to Shopify step by step. So let's get started. The first method is to prepare your Wix store. Log into your Wix dashboard and review your products, customer information, and website content. Remove outdated products and update any incorrect information before exporting your data. This helps ensure a cleaner migration. Next, export your store data. If available, export your product catalog, customer information, and other supported data as CSV files. Some content, such as blog posts or custom pages, may need to be created manually in Shopify. Now set up your Shopify store. Create your Shopify account and complete the basic setup, including your store name, currency, payment methods, and shipping settings. Choose a Shopify theme that matches your brand before importing your products. Next, import your products into Shopify. Go to Products, then click Import. Upload your CSV file after making sure it follows Shopify's required format. Review the import preview and confirm that product titles, prices, variants, inventory, and images are imported correctly. Then, recreate your website pages. Build pages such as About Us, Contact, FAQ, and any blog content using Shopify's page editor. Take this opportunity to improve your site's navigation and layout if needed. Now transfer your domain. If your domain is registered through Wix, unlock the domain in your Wix account and obtain the authorization code if you're transferring it. Then, in your Shopify admin, go to Settings, click Domains, and either transfer the domain to Shopify or connect your existing domain by updating the DNS records. Once the domain is connected, wait for the DNS changes to propagate, which may take up to 48 hours. Finally, test your Shopify store before launching. Review product pages, navigation menus, checkout, payment processing, and mobile responsiveness. Place a test order to ensure everything works correctly before directing customers to your new store. In most situations, these steps are all you need to successfully transfer your domain and data from Wix to Shopify. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, prepare and export your Wix store data. Second, import your products into Shopify and recreate important pages. And third, transfer or connect your domain, then thoroughly test your new store before going live. Remember that careful planning is the key to a smooth migration. Verifying your data, testing your store, and completing the domain transfer correctly will help ensure a seamless experience for both you and your customers. And that's how to transfer your domain and data from Wix to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.